The bartending occupation is perceived differently by different people. While it is an odd job to some people, it is lucrative and a potential path for others. Whichever you think it is, the job entails more than just serving drinks. It requires a level of intelligence, confidence, composure, and organization. So today, we shall take a good look at how to become a bartender and all that it entails. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Before you know how to become a bartender, you need to know who a bartender is. A bartender is a person who formulates, mixes, and serves drinks to customers either directly or through waiters. They need to have a vast knowledge of drink recipes and should be able to mix them accurately. Being a professional bartender means that you can formulate spectacular drinks, and you can do it fast. Also, bartenders could stand in place of waiters, greeting customers and informing them about the menu. They take drink orders, check customers' identification, and sometimes manage the cash registers. In some establishments, bartenders tend to all bar supplies, which include drinks and equipment. You find them in restaurants, bars, hotels, clubs, and other food establishments. Bartending requires you to work on your feet for an extended time, as you have to refill glasses and take new orders. As a result, a good bartender is the live wire of any establishment that serves drinks. For bartenders, earnings vary by place. This is mostly because their income depends on wages and tips. While salaries are fixed prices, tips differ depending on where the bartender works and how good they are with drinks. So, bartenders who work in a busy environment earn more than those in quiet areas. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, a bartender makes $12.30 an hour, and top bartenders make $19.30 hourly. However, good bartenders can make to $100,000 a year. If you have thought about how to become a bartender, you must have also thought about why. Well, bartending has its perks. The first advantage is the tips. As a bartender, especially when you're good, you could earn your wage in a single evening from bonuses. Another upside is the people you get to meet. Now, we all agree that meeting people is an essential part of living. Bartending opens the opportunity for you to meet people from all walks of life. Here, you can get opportunities and invitations that could take you to higher grounds. Let's not forget about social skills. Bartenders have to be social. So if you want to be one, get ready to acquire some social skills. With bartending, even the shy and introverted people learn to loosen up and interact with the world. Those skills are not only helpful in bartending but other parts of life as well. With these skills, you are more confident about yourself in public. It helps you relate better with other people outside your work circle. Apart from socializing, you learn a lot about being organized. Bartending requires you to be able to keep things in place where you can easily access it. Good organizational skills aid you while working, as you do not have to look for your work tools. This would help you think clearly and increase the pace at which you work. Even better is its versatility. The job is not usually confined to a place. As a bartender, you can travel anywhere and get a bartending job that pays decently. Besides, if you are not a lover of desk jobs, bartending is an excellent option. It keeps you active all the time. Now you know the benefits of being a bartender, let's talk about how to become a bartender. Before becoming a bartender, you must have attained the legal age for drinking. Though it is mainly set at the age of 18, some places have different age variations. A minor is not legally qualified to work as a bartender. But, if you have attained that age, you can proceed to start the journey of bartending. The easiest way to become one is to learn from another bartender. You need to position yourself where you can watch and assist a bartender as a bar back. For that position, you'd require no experience other than your desire to work. You'll be expected to do most of the manual labor like cleaning and stocking. Don't be discouraged, as this experience is necessary if you want to become a professional. As you stock liquors and beers, you learn their brand names. While you work, you grasp how the bartender mixes cocktails and other drinks. You also have the opportunity to learn basic bartending terms like on the rocks and straight. Aside from this, you pick up their social skills and understand how they relate with their customers. Also, you can have a bartender as a mentor who will teach you basic things you wouldn't learn by watching. The bartender will teach you how to pour a drink and formulate recipes. A mentor will teach you that there is more to mixing drinks than just combining them. To become a bartender, it is advisable to start in a restaurant bar. Unlike lounges and nightclubs, restaurant bars are calmer. A gentler environment doesn't require so much rush, allowing you to practice the skills you have learned. In addition, some employers at restaurant bars teach with booklets and some programs that explain the necessary service skill. These booklets outline the vision of the establishment and how to accomplish its mission. One good thing about becoming a bartender is that you need more skills than a certificate. However, if you are vying for a competitive position, it is advisable to get a bartending license. The license gives you a higher chance of getting hired. To get a license, you must be up to the age of serving alcohol. In addition to the age requirement, you must have a good knowledge of laws that guide minors. You must also be able to identify different stages of intoxication and how to handle and prevent disturbances. You can get a bartending certificate online, but ensure that the state approves the course. The courses usually consist of 40 coursework hours that you will complete in 2 or 3 weeks. Some online courses will cost $50 to $200, while physical classes range from $400 to $800. Nonetheless, you can work as a bartender with or without a certificate. Now that you know what it takes to become a bartender, what are you waiting for? Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.